So I think one of the first barriers is people actually being aware of what their rights are, and that actually there is potentially a legal remedy available to them, and that there are professionals out there who can support them with that, and that legal aid is still available for areas of law. I think with all of the cuts, there's a widespread perception now that legal aid generally is not available, and that can make people reluctant to initiate contact in the first place.
Those who are involved in the criminal justice system or who are facing applications for care orders in respect of their children, those people are probably somehow going to be represented. They're going to find their way into the system because they're going to come to court, and they're either going to be recommended to get legal advice, or there may be a duty solicitor scheme or something of that type. I think the greater concern would be those who simply don't get any advice at all. That might be people who've got poor housing, for example. It might be people who are living in properties where landlords are not fulfilling their obligations. It might be people who've got social care needs that haven't been properly assessed by their local authorities, and therefore they go on having those unmet needs because they're not getting legal advice, and legal advice might have helped them to remedy the problem.
A guy at work who's got a learning disability that was unfairly dismissed, and we got him. It went to a tribunal and he won the case, which was a really good outcome. So he was really pleased with that because he wasn't going to bother. Originally, he didn't see it as unfair dismissal. It was the people around him that were saying, well, that's not fair. It wouldn't have happened if you didn't have a learning disability.
I would say that the people we help have very, very low awareness of their rights and entitlements, and are confused about what's happening to them. Often can't read, if communication comes via letter, they can't read it, and it causes stress, and the reaction might be to just put it away in a drawer and ignore it. No, I'd say that people have very low awareness of what their rights and entitlements might be, and therefore part of our role is to help them know what they might have a right to expect and how to go about getting that respected.